Friends, today we will take the questions for interest on drawings. I am taking the question number 25A part of Goel and Goel. Mr. Ashok Gupta is a partner in a firm. He withdrew the following amounts during the year ended 31st March 2018. April 30 rupees 8,000, June 30 rupees 6,000, September 30 rupees 5,000, December 31st 12,000, January 31st 10,000. Calculate interest on drawings at the rate of 9% for the year ended on 31st March 2018. So we will solve it with both the methods, by both the methods, simple method and the product method. First I am taking the simple method. The simple method, formula for simple method for calculating interest on drawings is amount is equal to R upon 100 into month upon 12. You see the drawings are irregular here. So we can't calculate it combinedly. Individually we have to calculate it. The dates are given as usual, as given in the question itself. And then drawings are there. You see in the date, if we see on the dates, we will find that in between the first and second drawing there is a difference of 2 months. In between the second and third drawing there is a difference of 3 months. Again there is a 3 months difference, and at last 1 month difference is there. So time gap is not regular. So you see time for which, third column, time for which the drawings has been utilized. Rupees 8,000 has been utilized for 11 months, 6,000 for 9 months, 5,000 for 6 months, 12,000 for 3 months and 10,000 for 2 months up to the year ending. So interest at the rate of 9% per annum is to be calculated individually for each and every drawing. So 8,000 for the amount of 8,000 for 11 months at the rate of 9% it will be 660. For 6,000 it will be 405. For 5,000 at the rate of 9% for 6 months it will be 225. For the amount of 12,000 it will be 270, and for 10,000 it will be 150. So at last the total interest on drawings will be 1710. The same question can be solved with the help of the product method also. You see we have calculated in simple method. It's a simple method in name only. Otherwise you see each and every drawing is to be calculated, interest on drawing is to be calculated individually. So in that sense it becomes complex. It's just a simple method in name only. So in product method, interest on drawings is equal to total of products into R upon 100 into 1 upon 12. That is the formula. So the date and drawings are same, and the time for which a drawings has been utilized is also same, 11 months, 9 months, 6 months, 3 months and 2 months respectively. Now the product is to be done with the drawing. 8,000 into 11, 88,000. The product column. 6,000 into 9, 54,000. 5,000 into 6, 30,000. 12,000 into 3, 36,000. Then 10,000 into 2, 20,000. And the total of the product at last will be 2,28,000. So it is to be calculated. Interest on drawing is equal to 2,28,000 into rate, that is 9%, into 1 upon 12. That will come 1710. So you see, instead of adopting simple method, it is better to adopt or to go for product method if the irregular amounts are there, or the uniform amounts are not there, or the irregularity is there regarding the drawings. Then question number 26, B part, we will take. You see, it runs as follows. X, Y and Z are partners in a firm. You are informed that, number 1, X draws rupees 4,000 from the firm at the beginning of every month. Y draws rupees 4,000 from the firm at the end of every month. And number 3, Z draws rupees 4,000 from the firm in the middle of every month. Interest on drawing is to be charged at the rate of 9% per annum. Calculate interest on partners' drawings. So you first of all, you see the equal amounts of drawings are there at an regular intervals. That means to say in every month the drawings are made. So the formula is interest on drawings is equal to total drawings into R upon 100 into average period upon 12. Now how average period is calculated? For calculating average period is equal to time lag after the first drawing plus time lag after the last drawing upon 2. Now you see for X, as far as the X is concerned, the total drawings for the year is 4,000 into 12, because 12 months are there, 48,000 it becomes. And then average period is to be calculated. You see, he is drawing in the beginning of every month. So the time lag after the first drawing will be 12 months, or the first drawing will be utilized for the 12 months and the last drawing will be utilized for the 1 month. So 12 plus 1, 13 upon 2, that is 6.5 months will be the average period. Now putting the formula, interest on drawing is equal to 48,000 into 9 upon 100 into 6.5 months upon 12, that will come rupees 2340. Then Y, as far as Y is concerned, the total drawings are rupees 4,000 every month, and it becomes 12 for 12 months it becomes 48,000. And you see the average period is to be calculated. You see he is drawing or withdrawing the amounts at the end of every month. So as far as the first drawing is concerned, it will be utilized for the amount of first drawing will be utilized for the 11 months, and as far as the last drawing is concerned, it will be utilized for the 0 months. So the average period will be 11 plus 0 upon 2, that is 5.5 months. Interest on drawings by putting the formula 48,000 into rate 9 upon 100 into 5.5 upon 12, that will come rupees 1980. And Z, you see the total drawings for the Z are also 4,000 into 12 months, 48,000 for whole of the year. However, he is withdrawing in the middle of every month. So in that case, the average period will be, the first drawing will be utilized, the amount of first drawing will be utilized for 11.5 months, and the last drawing will be utilized for just for half months. So 11.5 plus half upon 2 is equal to 6 months. By putting the formula, interest on drawing is equal to 48,000 into 9% rate into 6 upon 12, that will come rupees 2160.